we're going to find the midpoint between these 2 points. Now, you may have seen this midpoint formula. Oops, sorry. My pen working? All right. X1 plus X2 over 2, comma, Y1 plus Y2 over 2. All right, so you may have seen something that looks kind of like this. A midpoint is just an ordered pair. This is an ordered pair of an X and a Y. This first part of the equation gives you the X value of the ordered pair. This second part of the equation gives you the Y part of the ordered pair. All right, so you can do the midpoint just like this. Let me erase these. Pull my pencil back up. Okay, so if this is point 1, this will be X1 and Y1. And if this is point 2, this will be X2 and Y2. And so then you're just plugging stuff into your formula. So X1 plus X2 would be 3 plus -1. And then we're going to divide that by 2. And Y1 plus Y2 would be 4 plus 10. So 10, not a 16, divided by 2. And then you just finish solving. 3 plus -1 is 2 over 2, which is 1. And 4 plus 10 is 14 over 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So your ordered pair would be 1, 7. That would be the ordered pair that is the midpoint between 3, 4, and 1, -10. All right, I want to show you another way that you could do this, because I like to line my points up. I like to line my points up like this, 3, 4, and -1, 10. All right, when you're doing this procedure, basically what you're doing is you are averaging your X values. You're adding your X's and dividing by 2. You're averaging your Y values, adding them and dividing by 2. Over here, I'm just going to combine that into one step. I'm going to add my ordered pairs, and then I'm going to divide by 2. All right, so 3 plus -1 is still just 2. 4 plus 10 is still 14. And now you can see that this part looks kind of like this part down here. I just didn't have to remember this crazy equation to do it. As long as you can remember that the midpoint, the point in the middle, is the average of the 2 points, you can just add them together and then divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 is still 1. 14 divided by 2 is 7. And you still get a midpoint of 1, 7, whether you chose to do it this way or you chose to do it this way.